Hello and welcome to the brief overview of Place My App, your digital business card. So in this video, we're going to briefly go over what the purpose is. This is not going to be an instructional video, but this is going to help you understand what it is and how to apply it. So that way, you can profit, your business can do great, and you can promote yourself. So basically, you're going to think of it as a digital business card for your cell phone. This is in a cell phone view. This is meant to be viewed on cell phones. This website is also still under development, so some things may change over time, such as a way to have desktop viewers participate. But anyways, what you'll be doing, let's take a look at the front end. So we have a photo, username, information, phone number, email, the very valuable share button, and a menu. So this is what the customer of yours will see, or prospect, borrower, what have you. This will help them stay in contact with you so that way they pull the trigger, get that loan, and all the other good stuff. And all of this is fully customizable. So let's say, I don't like this photo of me, I don't want a photo of me, or this information's wrong, I don't want these links here, whatever. We can change all of that. Actually, you can change all of that here in the back end. So right now we're on the home page, and the majority of what you'll do is ignore this whole screen right here. You'll come on down here. This is, check out the links below to gather additional information. Where is this? Ah, yes. That's where that is. And then we have the loan officer name, other header information like the NMLS, which you can see here. We have the photo. You can upload your own photos. We'll get into that in another video. Your phone number and your email. So if you change your email, let's say this isn't the email you want it to go to, whenever you change it, of course it will change here, but it will also change in the back end of the code. So that way, the website will be up to date. It's very cool. You change your phone number back here, and if a user clicks on it and wants to call you, then it will change and automatically update here as well, so long as you hit that save button after you make the change. Always remember to save your work. So let's go ahead and do a quick run through of some of the things that I've already created. So this would be your home page. This is where you would create links to link to things that you enjoy, other pages. We can even change all this down here. I have it set up going to Houston Home Loan and some just kind of decent mortgage tips. The loan application, now this is very cool right here. I think I got it set up for everybody, but what's going to happen is that you would click on loan application, or the user would click on loan application, and then it would take you to the zip file where you can fill it out, and then whenever the client is done filling out the application, you will be listed as the originator. That can't be changed, and you will get credit for your sales. As we can see, this went to George's zip file, so that would need to be updated. But for the most part, that's fine for now. So let's go ahead and go back. As another template, I've created a calculator, and we will be going over templates as well, where the prospect or borrower can run scenarios, be like, I have this much money, etc. Okay, cool. I have this information. I know what I'm doing. And I've also created something that will automatically update the current rates that are going on through to help the borrower or prospect stay kind of up to date with things. We also have a news template, which kind of gives them an idea of what's currently going on in the marketplace. The rates and the news both update automatically, so you won't have to worry about that. The share button, well, you'll be able to see a lot better on your phone, on the desktop. It shows different things. But like most share buttons, you would be able to send it via text, Facebook Messenger, Facebook, and just whatever popular mediums are currently out there. If you see some information on your page you don't like, you can always change it. If you don't like the menu items, let's go. If you don't like the menu items on the home page, you can change that as well. Don't want that free credit report. Get rid of that. Ew, yuck. Well, you can change that. We'll do that in a different video, though. So let's see. What else do we have? I believe we also have your own media folder. Mainly, I think you're just going to kind of use it so that way you can upload your profile photo. However, what you also would be able to do, I guess it didn't load okay. You would also be able to upload, let's say, files such as a PDF. Maybe you want them to download this information. Maybe you want them to download a separate file, whatever. You can go ahead and create your own link to that on here as well. So this is the brief overview. I really recommend that the share button gets used to help promote yourself, help promote the company, help yourself make money, and have a Merry Christmas. So this thing is useful only if we use it, so please use it and let me know how you enjoy it and whatever changes and additions I can create and add to. There's also an Add to Home Screen button, which will instruct the user on how to add a link to this whole digital business card on their phone desktop. So that way they have quick access to it, and it takes up no space. It literally takes up no space on their cell phone. So if they say, I don't know, man, I don't have the space for it, no, it's fine. This is just a link that you're saving to your desktop that comes to here. All right. I think that's the brief overview. Remember, share, share, share. Get people using this and have those loans go directly into your Point. And then you can use that to download you can use Point to download the application into Point and be good to go. Well, all right, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.